Welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to set mobile data limit on your Lenovo Tab M8. Our first step to do that, from main menu we must go to the settings. In it we pick first option network and internet, and now mobile network. Now navigate to the data warming and limit, where we can change our mobile data limit. First option, mobile data usage size. We pick date of each month. It can be first. Now we can turn on function set mobile data warming and choose it in gigabytes or megabytes, what you want. Maybe 5 gigabytes we set. And the last option we can turn on set data limit. Switch on, confirm by OK, and now we can pick data usage limit, maybe 10 gigabyte. It can be in gigabyte or megabyte, what you want. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.